Need to move your sketch projects into Figma. Figma supports importing sketch files, making it easy to continue designing, collaborating, and prototyping without starting over. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import sketch files into Figma in 2026. So let's get started. First, locate the sketch file you want to import. Make sure it's saved as a sketch document and stored somewhere you can easily access. It's also a good idea to keep a backup of the original file before making any changes. Next, sign in to your Figma account and open the workspace where you'd like to import the sketch file. You can import it into an existing project or create a new design file. Organizing your workspace first makes it easier to manage imported projects. Now drag and drop the sketch file directly into the Figma dashboard or design window. You can also use the import or file menu, depending on your version of Figma, to select the sketch document from your computer. Figma automatically converts supported sketch layers, frames, and components during the import process. Once the import is complete, review your design carefully. Check your layers, text, images, colors, components, and layouts to make sure everything transferred correctly. Take a moment to compare the imported file with the original if needed. Some sketch-specific features, fonts, or plugins may not transfer exactly the same way. If you notice missing fonts or layout differences, update those elements directly in Figma. Most standard design elements import successfully, but reviewing the file is always recommended. After reviewing your imported design, you can continue editing, prototyping, sharing, and collaborating using all of Figma's built-in features. So you've successfully imported a sketch file into Figma, and that's how to import sketch files into Figma. Moving your existing projects into Figma makes it easier to collaborate with your team, build prototypes, and continue designing in a cloud-based workspace. Taking a few minutes to review your imported file helps ensure everything is ready for your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.